Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the model and ensuring the iPad has enough power. Many failures happen with low battery. Once plugged into a Mac or PC with Finder or iTunes, put the device into recovery mode. The exact button sequence depends on your model, so follow it precisely. This removes the lock screen state without guessing passcodes. You do this because recovery mode forces a restore or update, which is necessary to remove the disabled status. Once in recovery mode, you'll see options in Finder or iTunes. Choose Update first because it attempts to reinstall iOS without erasing data. You should try Update because it can save your content. If Update times out or fails, choose Restore, which will erase the device and remove the disabled state. Make sure the connection remains stable. Interruptions can corrupt the install. After the software finishes, set up the iPad and restore from backup. You'll complete setup by signing in with the Apple ID used before. Activation lock requires that to reactivate the iPad. Once signed in, restore your data from iCloud or an iTunes backup if you want your apps and settings back. If the restore fails or the device is still disabled, try a known good Apple cable, a different USB port, or another computer because connection hardware issues are common. If problems persist, contact Apple support with proof of purchase for final recovery options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.